Hello dear students. In the previous class we have discussed about the importance of pH value and universal indicators. So in today's class we will discuss the question answers related to part 2. So let's start. 1 to 16 question answers we have already discussed and I hope many of you have written the notes. So today we'll start from question number 17. I read the question. You have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8. So which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of this is acidic and which one is basic? Okay, so there are two solutions A and B, and A's pH value is 6, B's pH value is 8. So you have to identify which is acidic and which is basic and which one has more hydrogen ion concentration. So as you know, pH value 6, that is less than 7, it is acid, and if the pH value is more than 7 are basic in nature, and pH 7 indicates neutral in nature. So you may know the answers. Let's see the answer now. A pH value of lesser than 7 indicates an acidic solution, while greater than 7 indicates basic solution. Therefore, the solution with pH 6 is acid and it has more hydrogen ion concentration than the solution of pH 8, which is a basic. So let's move on to the next question. What effect does the concentration of H plus ions, that is hydronium ions, have on the nature of the solution? That means how it varies concentration of hydrogen ion on the solution. So if the concentration of hydrogen ion increases, then the solution becomes more acidic. That means the pH value decreases. While a decrease of H plus ion causes an increase in the basicity of the solution. When the concentration of hydronium ion decreases, the basic property of substance increases. Next one, do basic solution also have hydronium ions? If yes, then why are these basic? As I told you in the previous class, bases not only consist hydroxide ion but also it consists of hydronium ion, but compared to hydroxide, the concentration of hydronium ion is less. So let's see the answer. Yes, basic solution also has hydronium ions. However, their concentration is less as compared to the concentration of a hydroxide ion. That's make the solution basic. The next one, a solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH likely to be? So what is the pH of this solution? 4 options are given here. So you must understand the question first. See the question, one solution that turns red litmus blue. So usually in which solution red litmus paper changes into blue? Yes, you are right. It is base. So what is the pH of bases? It is always more than 7. Remember that the pH value of bases is always more than 7. So here you can eliminate the answers easily if you know the concept. Option A 1 is highly acidic, right? The pH value 1 indicates the solution is highly acidic. So that is not the answer. So 4 also it is less than 7, 4 and even 5 it is less than 7. So what is the right answer? It is option D. The next one, under what soil conditions do you think a farmer would treat the soil of his fields with quick lime or slaked lime or chalk? So what are these substances? Quick lime, slaked lime, chalk. Yes, they are bases. So when the farmer should treat soil with bases? Only when the soil is acidic in nature, isn't it? So when the soil is acid, farmer should treat the soil with the bases. So let's see the answer. When the pH value of soil is less than 7, then the farmer would treat the soil of his field quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, or chalk, that is calcium carbonate. The next one, here again 4 solutions are given and its pH value also respectively. So which solution is neutral, strongly alkaline, strongly acidic, weakly alkaline? So 4 solutions are given. Such kind of question we have already discussed in the previous class. I hope this concept is understood. So tell me the answer. Think of this answer now. So neutral, what is the pH value? If the solution is neutral, it is always a 7. Strongly alkaline means somewhat it is a nearer to the 14, the value 14. And strongly acidic means it is a somewhat range 1 to 3 pH value, and weakly acidic means nearer to the value 6, 5, 7, and weakly alkaline it is a nearer to the value 8, 9, 7. So let's see the answer now. Neutral, which solution here neutral? Solution D. What is its pH value? 7. The next one, strongly alkaline. Which solution is strongly alkaline? Solution C with pH 11. And strongly acidic, solution B with pH 1. And weakly acidic, solution A with pH 4. And weakly alkaline, it is solution E with pH 9. Here one more question is given. Arrange the pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. So which solution comes first? Obviously it is the solution C, right? Its pH value is 11, and then 9, then 7, and 4, and finally 1. The next one, which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? So indigestion, when indigestion occurs, when the acid is released in our stomach. Okay, let's see the options. Antibiotic. So what is antibiotic? It is a medicine, helps to kill bacteria. Analgesic substance that reduces the pain. Antacid is a base, neutralizes excess acid. And antiseptic, that is cream or liquid, reduces the possibility of infection. So what is the right answer? You can easily eliminate the options. So the right answer is antacid. Next one, 10 ml of solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of given solution of hydrochloric acid. If we take 20 ml of the same sodium hydroxide, so what would be the amount of hydrochloric solution to neutralize it? See, for 10 ml of solution, 10 ml of sodium hydroxide neutralizes 8 ml of hydrochloric acid. If we take double of sodium hydroxide, that is 20 ml of sodium hydroxide, then the amount of hydrochloric acid also should be double of 8 ml, isn't it? So what is the answer? It is 16 ml. The last one, fresh milk has pH of 6. How do you think the pH will changes as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. I read the question. See, fresh milk has pH of 6. So pH of 6 in the sense it is a acidic in nature, that milk is a acid. How do you think the pH will changes as it turns into curd? See, curd is also acid, right? Curd is also acid. So what happens its pH value? Its pH value decreases. It should be decreases. It should be less. Let's see the answer. The pH of milk is 6. As it changes to curd, the pH will reduces because curd is acidic in nature. The acid present in decreases the pH. So I hope this is understood. Today's class you have discussed about the question answers related to the indicator and pH value. Write the questions from 17 to 25 in your notes and learn it. Thank you.